Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, and today we are back at CVS. So I'm going to put you down and you can see what I'm seeing, and then we'll go inside and start shopping. If you've never been here before, I do these every single Thursday. Well, when I record it's normally Sundays, but I don't upload it until the next Thursday. That way you still have 2 days that you have left to take advantage of what you're seeing in this video. So hang on tight and let's get digging and seeing these deals. Alright, this is the front page, and as you clearly can tell, I already circled things that has caught my eye. So the first thing I saw and I want to get is this deal. Our cereals are only $1.99 when they're on sale real good. So if you are a family that really loves affordable cereal, then come get it here for $1.99, because I know they can get almost to $5 prices. Maybe if you're lucky around $4, but $2. And they're normally, as you can tell, it's the 8.9 to 13.8 ounces, which is a normal size. But I'm gonna go for Fruity Pebbles and Fruit Loops mostly, but I do plan on getting at least 3, maybe more, of the cereals. And I'll use that for extra bucks, so this will be one of the last things I get. Then there's Ardell lashes. I already know which ones I want to get. They're in there for like 12 something, I think, and I should be getting 3 extra bucks because I'll be spending over 10. And then we'll go look at the Covergirl. I can't remember how many lip liners. How much do I need to spend? 15. I think I need 3 lip liners. 2 or 3 lip liners to get the 7 extra bucks. So we'll do that. Because that's what I need in that collection. Anyways, see, was that it on this page? Yeah. Then I did see a few more things that when I separated the tickets in the flyers, whatever. Some things that was not in this paper that I do want to get. So I know the Creme Shop, spend 15, get 5 extra bucks. And I already kind of eyeballed it and saw what I needed to get there. The Covergirl, I just put it on there so I wouldn't forget. Ardell lashes again. And the Cokes are supposed to be 3 for $12. And I wanted to get Coke, Dr. Pepper, and 7-Up. The canned Cokes. And then buy 2 of Revlon Total Hair Care. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do that, but I kind of do. I don't know. I'm going to look at the colors maybe, figure out if I want to do that. But if I get 2, I'll get 3 extra bucks. And I do believe if I get 1 more box of hair dye, I should be getting 1 for free because of how many box hair dyes. That's another thing that's in the CVS app thing. If you put some coupons, if you do the app every time before you get in the store, you can save a lot because they got over 100 coupons per week on the app. So make sure you check the app out too. Spend 30 on select. I don't think I want to do that anymore. It was like basically lubricants and that kind of stuff. You spend $30, you get 10 extra bucks, but I think I'll just skip that because, yeah, okay. Then the LA Cosmetics, spend 10, get 5. I think I figured out what I wanted to get from there. I don't think they had an eyeshadow primer, but I think I wanted to get the concealer and an eyeshadow palette. I can't remember if they had an eye primer or not, but yeah. And then Essence, spend 15, get 5 extra bucks. I think I figured out what I wanted to do for that. But yeah, let's see about this paper. The paper was kind of boring, to be honest. There was nothing on this page that struck my interest. Even though my girl would love these, but this is not that great of a buy, in my opinion. They're regular $1.99 each. So what, $2? So it's basically only saving you what, $1 to buy 3. So I didn't think that was a great buy. I don't know. There's the Essence. We talked about that. That's the LA Girl. We talked about that. There's the Revlon. We talked about that. Here's some more sales. Didn't really see anything that struck my fancy. And then here's the Coke right there. So I'll leave the Coke and the cereal to the end because that'll be extra bucks time. And we'll see. We'll see. Alright, here we are in CVS. $1.99 for the cereals. Here's Fruit Loops. Gotta make sure I get that for Sydney. And they have Fruity Pebbles. I think I'll get these, this. Let's see what else they got. I'll get Captain. Let's see how many I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I think that's all I'll get. 7. Okay, so this is the Creme Shop. Spend $15 on any Creme Shop, get 5 extra bucks. And I did see an eye primer, so this is It's About Time, the Creme Shop Crease Free Eye Primer, and it's going for $14.99. Wow, that was really close to the 15 already. But we're gonna get this. And I want to get one more thing, and I saw the eyeshadow palettes, and I've been doing blue, like that's on my eyes right now, so I think I'll get this color, the purple-ish one. So Shady Moonlit. I want to get this one, so I'll get these 2 products, and then I'll get 5 extra bucks. Okay, on Covergirl, we are spending $15 on any CoverGirl cosmetics, and we're getting 7 extra bucks back. So I'm gonna get 2 of the lip liners. They only have 4 lip liners in this whole CVS. Oh, this CoverGirl, but only 4 lip liners. So I'm gonna get these 2. This one is cherry red and marvelous. And they're going to be $8.99 each, $8.79 each, whatever. Above the 15 mark, and we'll get our 7 extra bucks. I don't think the sign up is up yet, but it was in the paper that we get what we spend 10 on any Ardell lashes, and we get 3 extra bucks. And the next one I want to try is this one, the Glimmer multi-pack, and they are going for $12.79, so I'll get those extra bucks. Alright, so we get the 3 for $12 on Coke products, Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, Canada Dry, or Sunkissed. I'm going to get Coke, Dr. Pepper, and I wonder if we got 7-Up. If so, I'll get that one. Okay, so the paper does say, but there's no signs right here saying it, but the paper says that we should buy 2 of the Revlon Total Care. Let's see, Revlon Total Care. I think it's all Total Care. I don't know. Anyway, we should get 2, and we should get 3 extra bucks. And I believe, if I understand correctly, if I buy 1, it should be free because of a coupon that's on my app. So now I'm debating if I'm getting burgundy or deep burgundy. That's the color I am now. Kinda think I'll just get burgundy. Get 2 of those. But do I want to stay burgundy another full month? So that's where I'm at. Like I don't know if I want to be burgundy another month. So I think I'll skip out this month. Alright, we're at the LA Girls. Spend 10, get 5 extra bucks. And okay, so they don't have any eyeshadow primer in this collection at CVS. So I think I'll just get the lightest concealer they have, going for $4.99, and use that as an eyeshadow base if I need to. Oh, they have white. Coverage definition. That way eyeshadow wouldn't, that would probably look really good with the eyeshadow if that's the base. I might do that. Yeah, I think I'll do that. That would be a good eyeshadow base. Still for $4.99. But I don't need any eyeshadow because I got some from the Creme Shop in purple, and I don't need lip liners because I got some from Covergirl. So I thought I'll get 2 of these what are they, lip paints? Yeah, lip paints, glazed lip paints for $4.99 each. I'll get 2 to make sure I get over the 10, because like I said previously, I get a discount for working here of 20%. So gotta make sure I get those extra bucks. I think next is Essence. Yeah. Alright. So this one's the Essence. Spend 15, get 5 extra bucks. I already have the eyeshadow primer, which is right there. I already have this palette, which I'm wearing on my eyes. I already have an eyeliner from Essence. So, and they don't carry, I need a primer. I need a face primer. And here's the primers. I think I'm going to get this Glow Boosting and Pore Minimizing Primer with Pink Clay, going for $4.99. And it doesn't look like they have a foundation either. So I figured maybe I'll just get the lightest colored concealer and use that as a foundation. What do I need to spend? 15. So I need 1 more product to make sure. Okay. So I needed 1 more product to make sure I got 15 bucks. And they don't have like regular setting powder here. So that looks about my skin color. So I can make that work maybe as just a powder. And then I'll have contouring. And this is going for $7.29. Alright, I am back and I totaled up on my receipts. So I spent $75.19. I have saved $47.71, and the retail of all of this would have equaled $122.90. So I bought $122.90 worth of stuff and only spent $75.19. So yeah, I spent a little bit more than half, I think. So I would say like 40% of savings. I don't really know. But yeah, pretty good stuff. Stuff I needed anyways. Didn't get what I didn't want. I got exactly what I wanted. And I got some makeup for very good prices. So I hope you enjoyed this CVS shop with me. Don't forget, I have a whole playlist in my description box below if you like these. And until next Thursday, I will see y'all next time. Bye.